All right, so what I'm showing you here today is the Boardr inventory admin system, which is going to run our online site inventory management, purchase order processes, and all that. What I'm doing here is I'm going to create a new product, pull in photos of it from the camera, and show how it then transfers over to the website. So let's get going. I'm going to create a new product right here. And this is under Nike, which I already have created, and it's going to be a shoe product, and it's going to be a Blazer 2 shoe. And then I'm going to give it a long description here. Nike's Blazer was on the cover of Thrasher when your dad was born. Get it, son. And then we have some SEO stuff here. I'm going to put in the default price. Just use $100 and 50 as the cost, 32 as the weight. We use that for calculating shipping for people. So here I'm going to go ahead and hit create new product. So my product, the Blazer 2, was created right here, and now I need to add the sizes and colors that go with this particular product that I just created. So here we got a quick and easy way to add a color in an entire size run for a shoe. So right here I'm just going to call this, I don't know, yellow and black. If the color doesn't already exist, it'll create it for me. If it does already exist, it'll use that one to prevent duplicates. And another thing we have is built into our system here is something that will automatically create standard sizes for you if it's a predetermined product in a certain category where we always set up the same sizes. So here it pulls my default price from setting up the product, and I do want to sell this online. Some products we don't sell online. So here I'm going to create all the SKUs that go underneath that product, and right now you can see I have all of my sizes right here that go with this particular colorway, yellow and black. My next step is to go and upload the photos. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to go over to Photoshop, and I have all my photos directly from my camera. They're completely unformatted and right from the camera, so it might have taken, I don't know, 5-10 minutes to shoot all these photos. So what I'm doing here is, as long as we have the right light box set up and proper lighting and take great product photos to begin with, we will not have to do any Photoshop work. So all I'm doing here is a box around each photo and then saving it in the style that we save all our product photos at. So I'm doing that right now, and this I will fast forward and not put you through the couple of minutes it's going to take, but I mainly just wanted to show you how quick this is going to be. So I'm going to create a new folder called Blazer Formatted. And this is the 9 o'clock photo. Here's the 10 o'clock photo, or 10:30. And here's the 12 o'clock photo. We shoot one photo for the product at every rotation around the clock. There's 12, and here's 1:30. And if there's any extras that go with the product, we also do an extra photo for that. In this case, there's a special insole for this shoe. Insole. So now I'm ready to upload first the main photo for my shoe, which is going to be the 3 o'clock. We can describe each colorway optionally if we need to. We do that for special colorways. This is a neck face blazer, so I want to tell the customer a little bit about that when they visit our website. Neck face is nuts. You drew this shoe, and now you can put it on your foot. These are the Chronicles 2 Riders. For search engine purposes and stuff, we also nickname. We can also nickname the colorway. So I'm going to call it Neck Face Blazer, and also put Chronicles 2 in there. Also, that helps with just giving the customer a little bit more information. So right here, I'm uploading the main colorway photo for the Blazer 2 shoe, and that gets thrown into the mix there. So we have other options for what we can upload for shoes and actually any product colorway. For shoes on extra photos, we have a set way that we do things. We're uploading all of those images I just created for extra images and around the clock. So if it's a shoe product, I build this form for you to keep all of our shoe products looking exactly consistent. So the first photo I'm going to upload chooses the 10:30 image. Then I'm going to choose the 12 o'clock image. Then I'm going to choose the 1:30 image. Then I'm going to choose the 3. And then the 4:30, just there. Then the 6 o'clock. The 7:30. The laces, I'm going to skip that. There is extra laces on this shoe, but I just didn't get that photo. The tongue I'm going to use with the close-up, and then the other extra close-up too. I'm going to use that one here. And then I'm also going to take my sole photo, and then finally my additional extra photo I'm going to use with, I'm going to choose my insole. And I'm going to describe that there. Default descriptions are in for everything else. So that's it for my extra photos. I hit submit to update them right here. That takes a second on my slow internet, and 10 or 11 photos being updated. So that's it. All the photos now are uploaded for this shoe. I'm going to go to the site to actually look at this shoe product now, which is now for sale, right here that I uploaded, and there's all my extra photos. So that's how quick it is to upload a shoe product. One other thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this shoe and put it on a purchase order. Supplier is Nike. This is for the Blazer shoes we just got. I can enter the supplier invoice number here, and I can choose my default location that the shoe gets checked into. Right now I'm just going to leave it at the default headquarters. These could be other future Boardr headquarters locations maybe across the US. Alright, so I'm going to hit create PO right here. So now I got my purchase order created and it's ready to have products added to it. So I can search my products here and search for that Blazer 2, and now what I want to do is add it to the purchase order. And I'm going to add it to this PO that I just created over here. It asks me which colorway I want to add, so right here I'm choosing that colorway, and this is where I put in the quantity ordered and quantity received. I can just do received right now if this is an order I'm placing far ahead of time, but I'm going to go ahead and do ordered and received all at the same time. Let's say I got 4 size 8s and 3 size 8.5s. Skipped a whole bunch of sizes, and then I got 4 size 11.5s. So that's it for that. I'm going to add these items to my PO, and you can see now that when I view my purchase order, all of my items are right here on the purchase order. I can add new products and colorways super quickly here on the fly. I'll show you that in another demo. But the next step is to close the PO. Once the purchase order is closed, all of these items then go into inventory. So I'm going to hit close right here to close this PO. And I come back over here, and you can see right now on the site all these items are out of stock. But what I'm going to do here is refresh this page, and you can see that all of the things that all the inventory that I checked in is now in stock after I closed that purchase order, and is now available for purchase online. So that's it. That's how quick and simple and easy it is to get a product from cut and open the box to being for sale on your website.